aren't just a mother. You aren't only a mother. You don't need to say, I'm more than a mother, like mother is some small box you crawl inside while the world ignores you and goes on its way. Motherhood isn't a nap. You can't believe them when they say that you have to wait until your children grow up to get a life, start a life, resume a life. You have a life. You have a POW. It's happening right now, something big and bold and true life. Mother is a power. Mother is an archetype. Motherhood is meaningful, packed, overflowingly, gigantically, titanically, intriguingly, importantly meaningful. Look, don't step up to it apologetically like, I have better things to do, but this is one of the better things to do, and you are doing it. The world makes it seem like all the important stuff is happening somewhere else, over there, where you and your children are not. The world makes it seem like you couldn't do anything as a mother, not a real thing. It's not business, commerce, finance, politics, government. The world makes it seem like the time you spend with your children is akin to having a basket full of talents that you slowly spill as the years go by. No way. Motherhood gives you an empty basket and you get to fill it up. What do you want to be? What do you want to do? What do you want to learn? What do you want? Motherhood will give it to you. You want peace? You'll get it. Want to learn to love? You'll get it. Want creativity, ambition, efficiency? You'll get it, get it, get it. Okay, so you won't learn computer programming or bank management, but there's no quality that you want that motherhood won't give you. Motherhood is meaningful. The ancient mother, great archetype. Birthing humankind, raising humankind. Not some sweet, sentimental, so boring unless they're cute and sleeping kind. Don't buy that. It sells you short. Not some greeting card aisle, loving mother, blah, blah, blah kind. Hey, do they make greeting cards for company presidents? Mothers use creativity, intelligence, flexibility, ingenuity, and quick thinking and heart-melting breakdown moments. You. Good mother, important mother, always trying to do better mother, staying up late to get it done mother, stepping up to the plate mother, do it once and do it again mother, when love runs dry, making more love mother. Wait, you are important mother. More than that, more than they say, more than you say. Yeah.